Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we are breaking down the garage for the big move to the new place. We got the movers coming on the 29th and it is the 27th, the day after my birthday. But we are knocking everything out. Holy Jesus. I had no idea how much, well, I kind of did, but I was not ready. We got 2 more days and this is what it looks like. Let me zoom out a little bit. Holy, we got all the templates in there. We got all the scrap in one of these. Holy cow, this is just the garage, guys, so that the movers can get everything sorted very easily. So right now I'm working on this side, but I got to pick up the wife in about an hour. So we're trying to make some progress. Hopefully you guys enjoy today's video. We are just going to be vlogging this moving process. There's so much to do. We took out a lot, threw out some old beds, and we're looking good. The dust got me kind of effed up, so subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's get to work. All right, so we knocked that out. Oh my gosh. We still got all this on the shelves, so much car parts, valve cover, headers, big brake kit, all for the CRZ. Holy cow. OEM front brace, BC coils, blah, blah, blah. This corner's pretty much done. The toolbox needs to be stacked up. At least I can just lock all that and use that as a storage. And now we gotta take apart this huge thing. Still a lot more to go. And then break down that guy. I don't think I'm taking that with me though. Hell yeah. This isn't gonna go back into the new garage. We're gonna go put these into the room. But yeah, after we knock this all out, we'll go hop to the house and we'll already be moved, because this is just gonna be the moving vlog. Sorry about the fans. I had to turn these bad boys on because it is super dusty in here and I'm choking on this old dust. But we gotta knock this out. Let's go sweep up a little bit. Boom. Done. Hell yeah. All right, this is as far as we got. We gotta go pick up the wife. That's some progress though. We got everything sitting on the wall. Hell yeah. I'm gonna go pick up the wife and we'll be back on her. See you guys in a bit. Bangles. That look cool. All right, we back. Let's get it. Hell yeah. So, if you watched the other episodes, I got this chassis mounted front bash bar made by Dana at ASC, which means my license plate will mount super solid. Because it's the law to have a front license plate. So, we're gonna go remount that for the drive to Las Vegas. Why does this appear to be super jank? And we do need to take this whole bumper as well, so. It's pretty much the best spot. If I put it over here, it might block. Yeah, we're gonna put it on the other side because I don't want it to block the airflow. But there's 3 different mounts over here that secure this bumper to the bash bar. It really holds the bumper well too. Yeah, we're gonna go mount this up like that so it doesn't block the air from cooling everything, because it's gonna be the longest drive I'm doing this. Good enough, good enough. Yo, my paint's cracking. It's lifting right there. This thing's all jacked up. It's kind of weird. Maybe we should nose chop this car. But, plates on. We're gonna go tape majority of this front end and that as well, so it doesn't get too beat up on the drive. And then some on the quarter panel right in front of the rear flares so that doesn't get chipped up. And the car will be good. But we got this end done. Now we gotta go take off these racks. Go grab the ladder and bring this stuff down. All right, that's done. Now we gotta go take all the screws out of the wall, including those. Oh, we gotta take those. We thought we were close. Damn. And the light as well. Easy day. Easy day. Oh, and my thermometer. Let's get it. Huge progress in the garage. We're almost done inside though. All right. And the only thing left to take down this entire wall, including that, I'll do that after, is the flag, baby. Represent, and go pull this thing down, and it'll feel like this garage isn't mine anymore. Boom. Cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna do the last finishing touches, but I'll see you guys right before we leave the garage for the last time. What the hell? What you want? I'm gonna put my foot down really slow. What, you scared now? They plotting. These guys are plotting. Right now we're at La Jolla Beach, trying to kill some time because we are driving up to Vegas in like 4 days. Check out those seals. Tons of seals. Hey, what's up guys? It is another day and we are currently draining the Grom out of fuel because the movers are going to be taking it, not riding it, not putting it in the back of the car. So I actually sucked out all the fuel with this wet vac. We sucked that out, was super fast, and yeah, everything's good now. But the bike, as you can see, is currently empty, but it's not turning off, it's not dying. So we're gonna go ride it back and forth until it dies. So yeah, hopefully the neighbors don't mind it because we're gonna go rip a little bit. Hopefully the cops don't show up because I'm not wearing my helmet. I think it's blowing up. Man, it is so empty in here. And Taco Bell was a fail, but the Evo hasn't been washed for a long time and we're about to drive it in 2 days. So I'm gonna go wash it off so I can apply the tape really well because we're gonna tape off the car because I don't wanna get any extra damage. So we're gonna go tape off the backside, a little bit over here and a bunch on the front. And we should be good to go. Evo's looking crazy, but this needs to get done. Let's knock it out. All right, guys, the car is washed. I'm gonna go throw it to the garage, let it dry off overnight, and then we're gonna go ahead and blue tape the whole front end after it's dry in the morning. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, that's about all I'm willing to do, so. Bruh, the Evo is fully packed. We're closing up the back. I'm gonna pull it out. We're gonna finish tagging up this large versatility vehicle. Let's get it. Bruh. Yo, we are done. This stuff packed. Cam about to go on a 350-mile road trip. She's gonna tuck all the way in the back, I guess, but everything's done. It's the last time you're gonna see this garage. It's super empty anyways, it's not really mine anymore. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the new one. Alright, made it to the first stop. Hell yeah. I gotta show you guys the technique I just learned because we ain't got no cruise control. But yeah, let's go fill up a little bit more gas. We are about 105 miles in right now. Ooh, super close, but we're good. We had some technical difficulties with the kitty. She wanted to tuck herself in over there.
Nope.
Bruh, we are at the second spot. Second stop. Eddie's World. We'll go take some photos by there after we go grab some food. Hopefully things are open. Evo's holding up. It's getting dirty though, but good thing I taped the front. I heard some rocks tap the car, but it looks relatively good. Definitely getting dirty though, but we're gonna grab some eats and we'll be back on the road. Yo, this spot's kind of crazy. Look, they got tons of candy here. And then I hear the ice cream's really good, but the ice cream spot's closed. Could get me a spam container though. That's pretty sick. We are here for breakfast, looking for stuff. Might just destroy a Lunchable. That would be pretty dope. But yeah, we're getting a little tired because we didn't eat breakfast yet. So here we are. We are getting close though. About 220 miles left. No, less than 200 miles left. About 2 hours driving left. So getting excited. She's getting excited. I'll see you guys outside. Yo, we can officially see the strip. We are now in Vegas, and I'm so stoked. Oh my goodness, man! It was a pretty long drive, and I was kind of worried about the Evo because you guys follow me on Instagram. You guys know. Let me close the doors. You guys know that the Evo does have some issues, but yeah, we are here. There it is. Well, that's not exactly the strip. That's just like the beginning, but. Yeah, we're in Vegas now. I'm so excited. This is going to be the new stopping grounds. It's just awesome. Whew. I'm just glad the Evo made it. Even if it breaks down right now, which I hope it doesn't, it won't cost me an arm and a leg to get home. We are about 25 miles away from the new spot. And